Hello traders, in this video we're answering a common question that many new Forex traders seem to ask. What is a Forex no deposit bonus? I will explain what it is in this video, how it works, why brokers offer it, and the key conditions you must understand before getting excited about free money. A Forex no deposit bonus is a small amount of trading capital that a broker credits to your new live account without requiring you to deposit your own money first. Typical no deposit bonus amounts range from about $10 to $100 depending on the broker and the promotion. How does it work? You first register with the broker that offers a no deposit bonus on NDB, complete any required identity verification, and then the broker credits the bonus funds into your live trading account. You can trade real market prices with that bonus, often under specific leverage and instrument rules. And while the bonus itself is usually non-withdrawable, the profits you make may be withdrawn if you meet the broker's condition. Now you may be wondering, why do brokers offer it and how or what kind of condition is important? Brokers use no deposit bonuses as a marketing tool to attract new clients and let them test the platform, spreads, and execution in live conditions without putting personal capital at risk. In return, they impose terms such as minimum trading volume or lot requirements, profit caps, limits, and restrictions on when and how you can withdraw profits or convert the bonus to cash. What are its benefits and risk? The benefits for traders is risk-free exploration. You can experience real trading conditions and test strategies without funding the account first. The risk, however, is psychological and contractual. Traders may over-leverage because it is free money, and many are surprised by strict conditions that limit withdrawals or could cancel the bonus if rules aren't followed exactly. You can explore current no deposit bonus offers and the conditions using the broker comparison and NDP list linked in the description below. Treat a Forex no deposit bonus as a temporary training wheel and platform test and not as a guaranteed shortcut to big profits by always reading the fine print before you start trading.